In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online using the transfer feature. An owner's draw is when the business owner takes money out of the company for personal use. It's not a business expense, so it shouldn't show up on your profit and loss. Instead, it reduces the owner's equity on the balance sheet. The transfer feature in QuickBooks Online is a clean, reliable way to record this movement of money from your business bank account to the owner's equity or owner's draw account. I'll walk you through it step by step so your books stay accurate. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online using your browser. Once you're in, look for the plus Create button at the top left of your screen. This button opens the menu where you can record different types of transactions. From that menu, under the Other column, select Transfer. Think of transfer as telling QuickBooks that money is moving from one account to another inside your books. In the Transfer Funds, from Field, choose your business bank account. This should be the account the actual cash came out of, the one that shows the withdrawal on your bank statement. Picking the correct account ensures your bank balance in QuickBooks matches reality. Next, in the Transfer Funds to Field, select your owner's equity or owner's draw account. This is the equity account that tracks what the owner has taken out of the business. If you don't see an owner's equity or owner's draw option, pause and confirm that your chart of accounts includes it, or check with your accountant about the correct equity account to use for draws. Enter the transfer amount. Use the exact dollar amount that left the bank and enter it as a positive number. This will move money out of the bank account and into the equity account, just like the real-world transaction. Set the date of the transaction to the actual date the funds were withdrawn from the bank. Using the correct date helps your bank feeds and reconciliations line up and keeps your financial reports accurate for the period. If you want, add a memo. Something like "Owner withdrawal for personal use" works well. A clear memo makes it easier to understand the transaction later, especially during reviews or tax time. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. Your owner's draw is now recorded properly using the transfer feature, keeping your profit and loss clean and reflecting the change in equity on your balance sheet. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.